double leg stretch. We start lying on the back, and then you lift the legs to create a dish shape through the body. So you're a shallow dish from the forehead to the feet. And in Joseph Pilates world, you'll be flat back here, pushing the low back into the mat. So this first one that Loraine demonstrates is from the traditional mat work from the Return to Life book. She pulls the legs into the chest and then reaches the legs back to return to that dish shape. Exhale, the legs are pulled into the chest, and then you inhale to reach the legs away. Then the more modern version, or slightly more modern, is with the arms reaching above the head as the legs reach away, as Loraine does in this second version. Again, it's inhale, we reach the arms and legs away, and then exhale as you pull everything back into the centre. It can be quite good to reverse the breath here so that you exhale as everything reaches away to control that centre, because that's hard as you reach the long arms and legs away from your centre. You really got to work the abs to control that. So it can be really worthwhile using the exhale there as the arms and leg reach, and then the inhale as you bring them back in again. As I say, Joseph Pilates originally taught these sorts of exercises in a flat back position, so the low back would be really pressed into the mat. But we, in the modern Pilates world, if you like, tend to work more into a neutral position. As this is quite a strong exercise, you could have a slight roll back of the pelvis to really make sure those tummy muscles are engaged. So what you don't want to happen is to overarch through the lumbar spine as the legs reach away.